Everyone. So today I want to talk about something known as above the line thinking, or OARBED, which is the acronym. So if you're new to this concept, it's basically a way of thinking and a way of accepting responsibility, being accountable and taking ownership of things. So whether you're the business owner or whether you're an employee, there's lots of different situations where you can apply the OARBED, the above the line way of thinking. So we often use it as one of our core values at Cheltenham Tax Accountants. And basically, if you're thinking above the line, so if we use the idea that you as the business owner is a thinking above the line, if something's not going your way in your business or you're not achieving the goals you set out for yourself, you're not earning as much money as you'd like to, not bringing in as much revenue, or whatever's going on, it's not working out how you picture it should work out, maybe when you first started the business, then if you're basically thinking above the line, you need to take ownership. Why is that the case? What is happening for me not to be hitting those targets? Why am I not getting enough inquiries? Why am I not wowing my current clients with the service and getting enough referrals? Why am I not increasing my revenue? So you need to take ownership. You need to be accountable, responsible. What can you do to improve that? You need to take action. There's a saying average action gives you average results. Massive action gives you massive results. So are you taking massive action? That would be above the line thinking as a business owner. And below the line thinking would be you're blaming the market, you're blaming the conditions, you're blaming the competitors, you've got excuses, it's not the right time, or you've not got the right staff, or your customers just don't get you, and you're in denial. So that would be below the line thinking. You're not taking ownership. It's basically not your fault that the business isn't a success. And you can't just apply this as a business owner. You can apply this to your staff. So if a staff member has an issue and they've not delivered a really good outcome in your line of work, they've messed up, they've done something wrong. If all they're doing is blaming somebody else, making excuses, and denying they've made a mistake, then they're thinking below the line. As it says here, they're acting like the victim. If they're going to take ownership, actually, I know I went wrong. I can do that right next time. I've learned my lesson. If they're accountable, taking responsibility, then they're thinking above the line. It's a really powerful concept, and I think every business owner should be familiar with OARBED, which just helps you remember, the words for above the line and below the line. So you've got ownership, accountability, responsibility, blame, excuses, and denial. We literally refer to it as part of our core values on a weekly basis, and I hope you can find some use for it in your business or your life. Thanks.